Welcome to a special episode of BlissNiques. We are in Brazil, and after catching up with Flavia's family for a few weeks, we managed to get out fishing with a couple of locals in a place called Jericoacoara for a day, and have a catch and cook up with a stingray that is turned into a lasagna. Enjoy. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome as well. Okay, so let me catch you up. We are in Brazil. We've been here for about a month now. We've done a lot of tripping around, catching up with Flavia's family, which is my wife, for those that don't know. And because we haven't been here since the whole COVID lockdowns and everything, and I hadn't actually met her family. And we actually got married a year ago. So it was a, it was a good situation. Family's absolutely lovely, and I'm pretty sure they've accepted me. So anyways, they've showed me around a lot of Brazil and taken me to all their properties, which is amazing. Some of the houses are just crazy good, marble floors, awesome views. Even got to wet a line a couple of times on their properties. Big dam at one of their farms had fish in it. No monsters, but we caught a little fish at least. First fish in Brazil. What else? I think we're pretty well caught up. If you want to check out the rest of the trip, jump on our Instagram at BlissNiques. We're still on there, and we put a lot of stuff that we don't put on YouTube onto Instagram, because sometimes it's just not quite enough to put it into a video, or we can't make a video out of something, so we put it on Instagram. Now that we're all caught up, we are waiting for our fisherman guy. He's about an hour late at the minute. We actually went on a four-wheeler motorbike trip a couple of days ago, and our tour guide, it was a 7-hour trip going through everywhere. He showed us all the awesome water holes, and he sort of let you take it for a proper spin. None of this 20 k's an hour going down the road. It was, we sent it. So that was a whole lot of fun. And we organised that through our resort. Cat drinking out of the pool. Well done, Cat. Anyway, we asked him if he knew anyone that goes fishing, and he had a mate that goes fishing every morning, and they supply the restaurants, or they sell their fish to the restaurants and keep some for their family as well. So we said, oh, we'd love to join him if we could, and we'll happy to pay, and if we catch any fish with them, the fish is theirs. So they were more than happy to oblige, and we're just waiting for him now. He's a bit late, but so we're all caught up now, and next time I see you, we'll be out there. We have arrived. Hey, how you going, man? Alrighty, we made it to our destination in the boat. Woo! Definitely had a Daryl Braithwaite's horses moment in the buggy going along the beach there. Alrighty, we're going to send it out. We're just down a little river at the minute. Straight out, we're going out to the deep ocean today because the weather is quite nice at the minute. Hopefully we get out there before the wind comes in. absolute crisp pristine morning. Dead calm at the minute. The wind is meant to come in later on, so we're going to try and get out, get some fish, and then come straight back in before the wind blows up. For now, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Anchored down. So I was just saying to Flavia that they bring out all different things like car parts and old building blocks and stuff like that, and they've chucked them out in this one spot to build structure so the fish will come and yeah, they know where to come every time. So yeah, pretty smart thinking.
Parabéns.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Pull her in, babe. Oh yeah, there we go. Bait.
Bait.
Bait. Barb off so no one gets, yeah. On the hand line. So we've debarbed it so no one gets stung. And whew, these guys, they have them on the menu in the restaurants, so there we go. Our gift to them.
Yeah. Okay, they make lasagna with them.
Lasagna. Stingray Lasagne, apparently.
Vocês gostam de lasanha?
Sim.
Delicious?
Se quiser pra fazer um e mandar fazer um pedaço, leva pra trás de lasanha. É bom. Vamos provar lá.
É bom?
A mulher faz,
Delicious. Delicious. Into a nice lasagna for us. His wife is going to be nice enough to cook for us, all ready for us when we come back for lunch. Absolute perfect. Beautiful. Cheers! Ching! Alright, so BB is just going to shoot off on his bike, drop the Stingray off to his wife, and she's going to prepare it while we go out and do a little bit more fishing. What an awesome little place. Tiny little village just on the edge of the river here. Hopefully you can hear me, it's a bit windy now. We had to come back in because the wind and the swell just went through the roof real quick. So we jumped back in, we got absolutely drenched. And then he came out with a beer, so what can I say? While BB's wife prepared the Stingray Lasagna, the guys took us for a tour down the river, out of the wind. Check out a few sites and also showed us how they catch bait for fishing.
Picu! Melhor peixe.
One there.
Aqui, ó. E aí, mano, lugar bom pra pescar aqui, viu? Olha, cara, picou, viu? Que é lugar.
Tá.
Aí já vai de isca já, né? Bora. Isca, isca, isca.
So what they do is they break open the shell. Yeah. Break open the shell and use them for bait, which is absolute dynamite bait apparently. We did plan to fish more, but by the time we checked out a few places, BB had the call up that lunch was ready. Well, it is absolutely sweltering hot right now, so we're going to call it a day. We're going to go back to BB's wife's place, or their place, and have a feed of Stingray Lasagna. Do it.
Olha lá o peixe lá, ó.
Alrighty, we are done. Get ready for lunch. Believe it or not, this is actually organised parking.
A mamãe que vem? É?
Stingray Lasagna.
Espero que esteja bom.
Eh?
Tava a cara muito boa, viu?
They've been so nice to us, invited into their home, and that smelled unbelievable.
Qual foi isso aqui, olha? Tu vai colorir, vai?
Beautiful. Nice.
Quer outro?
Very good. First try of the old Stingray Lasagna.
Tá bom?
Nossa, maravilhoso.
Pretty good actually. That's really good.
Pretty good.
Muito bom, muito bom.
Tapinha laranja? Tá bom.
What do you think, babe?
Pretty good.
Pretty bloody good.
Uh-huh.
Unfortunately, there was a little bit too much wind noise at the end of that video, so I decided to cut that out and just show you some of the places that we went to while we were there. And hope you enjoyed the Brazil edition for BlissNiques. We thoroughly enjoyed being there. We have abalone season next weekend, so I'll be back in Oz. We'll do a catch and cook. We'll show you how to prep them and everything, and do a cook up on the barbecue, and it should be unbelievable. Like and subscribe if you haven't already done that, and cheers, and we'll see you soon.